Exercise 7.4, question number 1. The square ABCD and the rhombus PQRS are such that AB is equal to PQ. Right? So what does that mean? AB is equal to PQ. Right? So that is given, na? AB that is equal to PQ, make a given. Right? So this is a square, this is a rhombus. So we know in a square all sides are equal in length. Rhombus also the same thing. Right? And there's another thing related to this question which is given to us. AB is equal to PQ. Right? Okay. Using axiom number 4, show that the perimeter of the square ABCD is equal to the perimeter of the rhombus PQRS. We know when we talk about the perimeter of a square, we have to add all the sides. Right? So AB plus BD plus CD plus AC. නේ සමචතුරස්‍රයක පරිමිතිය කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? පැති හතරම දිගින් සමානයි. පැති හතරම එකපාරක් එකට එකතු කරනවා. Right? PQRS, a rhombus, same thing. All sides are equal in length. We are talking about the perimeter of the rhombus, right? So just as a square, we have to add the side lengths. PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. What is the thing that we do know? AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ, right? So that's the information that we do know, the data that we do know. So in a square, all sides are equal in length, no? Right? So I can say this is AB, this is AB, this is AB, this is AB. Why? This is a square. In a rhombus, the situation is same. This is PQ. I can say the length here is PQ, here is PQ, here is PQ, here is PQ. Right? So take the perimeter. So I'm just going to put capital P here. So you know capital P symbolizes the perimeter usually. Perimeter of the square ABCD. What will that be? AB plus BD plus CD plus AC. Right? Or else I can say this is one. AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. That means 4 times AB. Right? Then the perimeter of PQRS rhombus. The same thing. So I can write PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. In the same manner, since the rhombus, each sides are, all the sides are equal in length. No? So PQ plus PQ plus PQ plus PQ. So I can rewrite this as what? 4 times PQ. 4 times PQ. Right. So I'm going to erase this now. So I'm going to write 4 times AB, then 4 times PQ, just to refer. Right. So what do we do now? So actually this is part 1 now. So we do know AB that is equal to PQ. AB PQ to සමානයි. Why? This is given. එතකොට අපි කලින් කතා කරපු ඒවත් එක්ක මොකද කරන්නේ? When you talk about the perimeter, 4AB is equal to 4PQ. So the perimeters of the ABCD square and the PQRS rhombus are same. Part 2. If AB is 7 centimeters, find the perimeter of the rhombus PQRS. Right. So AB is equal to PQ now. So the value is given to us as what? 7 centimeters. So what is the perimeter of PQRS? 7 into 4, which is 28 centimeters. Don't forget the unit. Huh? Right. Question number 2. In the triangle ABC, BAX is equal to XAY. Right. So BAX angle is equal to XAY angle. BAX is equal to XAY angle. So this is given. Right. BAX. So this angle is equal to this angle. XAY. That means BAX is equal to XAY is equal to CAY. KLMNO. MON. Then we have LOM. Then we have KOL. So these three angles are equal. Right? So this is given. So we can write MON. MON angle is equal to LOM angle is equal to KOL angle. Right? So this is also given. Show that XAY is equal to MOL. So the first one is what? We need to show XAY is equal to MOL. MOL. So there's another point that I have forgotten to mention. So that is BAC angle. BAC angle is equal to KON. BAC. BAC. So that means this whole angle is equal to KON. Right. So these three data has been given to us. After that we have to prove that XAY is equal to MOL. So it is pretty easy, no? Right? So I will take this one angle as Z. Right? Z කියලා ගන්න මොකද මෙතන X කියන එක පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන හන්දා. So BAX. So if this is Z, this is Z, this is C. We will consider the ABC triangle. Right? If we take the ABC triangle, right? BAX, that is equal to XAY, that is equal to CAY. Right? So that means if BAX, right? If BAX is equal to Z, BAX can Z now, right? Take the whole triangle which is BAC, that is equal to what? 3Z, no? So in another way, I can write this as what? අපිට දැන් මෙතන දීලා තියෙන ළමයි XAY කියන එකනේ. right? එතකොට අපිට මේක මෙහෙම ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. BAC angle is equal to what? 3 times XAY. හරිනේ? මේ එක්කෙනා මේ හැමෝම එකට සමානයිනේ. හැබැයි අපිට ගානේ අහලා තියෙන කාගෙන්ද? XAY. So it is better if we can write the total angle which is BAC in this manner. Right? අපි ඒක ලියාගමු මෙන්න මේ විදිහට. BAC angle that is 3 times XAY. XAY. Right. In the same manner, we will consider the pentagon. Right? Consider the pentagon. Right? Pentagon, we will consider it. Right? So we have been given the angle MOL now. So we will consider the angle MOL, the magnitude as B. Right? So if this is B, what will be the value of the whole angle KON? Right? B plus B, no? In other words, we can say 3B. Also, I can rewrite this as what? KON as 3 times MOL. Right? So, KON angle that is 3 times MOL. So, there's another thing which has been given to us. So, I'm going to erase this part. What is that? Angle BAC is equal to angle KON. So, we can substitute these values. That means what? 3 into XAY. Don't confuse this X with this multiplication symbol. Is equal to 3 into MOL. So now I can cancel out these 3. So that means what? XAY is equal to MOL. If XAY is 30 degrees, XAY is 30 degrees. Then we have to calculate what? Determine the magnitude of KON. XAY. So where is XAY? That is one of the angles inside the ABC triangle. Right? So XAY is equal to what? Just a little bit before XAY, we prove that XAY is equal to MOL, no? So that means magnitude of the angle XAY is equal to the angle MOL, which is 30 degrees. That means what? KON කියන මොකද්ද එතකොට? 3 into MOL, which means 3 into 30, which is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Right, exercise 7.4, question number 3. In the quadrilateral PQRS, PQ is equal to QR is equal to SP. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PS. Sorry, SP, both are same. Then we have 2PQ is equal to RS. So the length R is what? RS is what? RS is equal to 2 times PQ. Right. Find the relation, the perimeter of the regular pentagon ABCDE. Right. So the pentagon we have is what? ABCDE. So kindly note that. Imagine that this is a regular pentagon. So all sides are equal in length. So that means what? Each sides are equal in length. The perimeter of the regular pentagon ABCDE is equal to that of the quadrilateral PQRS. So these two objects, when we consider their perimeters, both are the same. Find the relationship between PQ and AB. So apart from the PQRS quadrilateral, this is a regular pentagon, no? So you have to read the question carefully. Regular pentagon. That means this is not just a pentagon, right? Regular pentagon means all sides are equal in length. So all of these sides are equal in length. So what can we write? And also in the question, it is mentioned that both of these objects have the same perimeter. So we can write what? I'm just going to put capital P for perimeter. So perimeter of PQRS is equal to perimeter of ABCDE. ABCDE. If we consider like capital A, so this is for area. Capital B, this is for volume. Right? Okay. So find the relationship between PQ and AB. So this is a quadrilateral, no? Right? So this is PQ. So these two sides are also equal to the length of PQ. That means what? This is PQ, this is PQ, this is PQ. And also the length RS. That is 2 times PQ. So what is this side? How many PQs are there? PQs into 5, no? So we can simply write this as what? 5 PQ. In the same manner, this is a regular pentagon, no? And also in the question, they are asking us to find the relationship between PQ and AB. So AB, that's one side of the pentagon ABCDE. So if we take the perimeter of ABCDE in terms of AB, that is what? AB plus AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. Right? So that means what? 5 times AB, or I can write this as what? 5AB. Now these two are equal, no? That means what? I can cancel out this 5. So PQ, that is equal to AB. PQ is equal to AB. So this is question number 3. Yeah? So we have discussed part 1. If AB is 8 centimeters, so now they are saying the value of AB, that is 8 centimeters, find the perimeter of the quadrilateral PQRS, right? So in the first part of the question, we confirm that PQ is equal to AB. So now we have been given a value which is 8 centimeters. So now what's the perimeter of PQRS? So you have to write the sentences correctly. Right? So here perimeter of PQRS, that is what? PQ is equal to AB, that is equal to 8 centimeters. So perimeter of PQRS is what? 5 times PQ or 5PQ, that means what? 5 into 8, so we get 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Right, miscellaneous questions. Question number 1. Under that, in the quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to AC. Then we have BC, which is equal to AC. Then we have AB is equal to BC. Then we have AD is equal to CD. AD equal to AC. BC equal to AC. Then we have AB equal to BC. Then we have AD equal to CD. So these are the given information. AD is equal to AC. Then BC is equal to AC. So from using the first axiom, we can say AD equal to AC is equal to BC. Right? So these three sides are equal in length. AD, BC, AD, BC and AC. Okay, so then we will take AD equal to AC, right? AD equal to CD. So just as before, using the first axiom, AC is equal to AD is equal to CD. Right, so this is using the first axiom. So we have to mark this information on the given diagram, right? So AD, AC, BC. AD, AC and BC. Then AC, AD and CD. And also AB. AB side is equal to BC. AB side is equal to BC. So that means what? In this rhombus, consider the sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and the diagonal, we have 5 sides, including the diagonal. Hari? Etakota, if we think about the triangle ABC and ADC, ත්‍රිකෝණ විදිහට හිතුවොත් එහෙම මොකද වෙන්නේ? Those are equilateral triangles, no? So in an equilateral triangle, we know that what? All internal angles, if we consider each of them, are 60 degrees. So this is 60, 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 this is 60. Right? So in the question, what are they asking? Show that ABCD is a rhombus. I make a rhombus here. So in the question it says that this is a quadrilateral, right? So when we consider the number of quadrilaterals that we need to study in our syllabus, we have 5 of them, right? So from that 5, only 2 quadrilaterals are there where all the sides are equal in length. That is what? 1. So I will put simple A here so it is much clearer. So one is the square and the other one is what? A rhombus. Right? So when we talk about the square, all sides are equal in length, and also if we consider the internal angles are what? Each are 90 degrees. So in this quadrilateral, if you consider all the internal angles, there are 4 angles, huh? Internal angles 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the magnitude? 60. Then definitely this is not a square, this is a rhombus. So information tika answer ke end. Right, question number 2. Okay, question number 2. As indicated in the figure, the point S is located such that PRS is equal to SQR, QRS is equal to PQS. PRS, that means this angle, right, this angle, is equal to what? SQR, that means this angle. Inside the SQR triangle. Huh? Then we have what? We have QRS. QRS, that means this angle. This angle is equal to PQS. By applying the axioms, show that PRQ, so these two are given. So in the first part, we have to prove that PRQ is equal to PQR. PRQ. PRQ. That means this entire angle is equal to PQR. Right? So we will take PRQ. What is that? PRQ. That is what? PRS plus what? SRQ or QRS. QRS. Then we will take PQR angle. PQR entire angle. That means what? PQS. Diagram we have under PQS plus. Now think about the angles on this side. PRS is equal to what? SQR. That means PRS is equal to SQR. Right? Then QRS. QRS is equal to what? PQS. මේ දෙන්නත් සමානයි මේ දෙන්නත් සමානයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? මේ ඔක්කොගේම එකතුව ගත්තාම මේ පැත්තට සමානයි. PRQ ටයි PQR ටයි. That means what? These two angles are separately. When we consider only these two angles, those are equal. Right? ඊට පස්සේ අපි ලියනවා මෙහෙම. PRS is equal to SQR angle. So this is given or data. Then QRS is equal to PQS. This is also given. That means what? Therefore, PRQ angle is equal to PQR angle. Right, so now we will move to part 2. Show that if RPQ is equal to PRQ. So now RPQ is equal to PRQ. PRQ. මේ වෙලාවෙ ඉඳන් මේක consider කරන්න කියලා හිතනවා. So here we have these three and also we proved on the first part. RPQ and PRQ. Ayyo. Easy, no? Then all the angles of the triangle PQR are equal in magnitude. Simple, no? So RPQ is equal to PRQ. So this is given. Then in the first part of this question, what did we prove? PRQ is equal to PQR. So PRQ is equal to PQR. So that we proved in the previous part. Right. So therefore, common. What can we say? RPQ angle is equal to PRQ angle is equal to PQR angle. එකපාරට කියවරන්න නිකන් ඔක්කොම එක වගේ කල්පනාවෙන් වැඩේ කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. Question number 3. As indicated in the figure, the straight lines AD, BE and CF intersect at the point O. Right. If DOE is equal to AOF. So this is given. DOE. So we will put, so I will put a mark. Right. DOE is equal to AOF. Right. So these two angles are equal in magnitude. Show that BOD angle is equal to DOF angle. So this is the one that we need to prove, right? So what is BOD? BOD, this whole angle, and DOF, this whole angle, right? So if this angle is equal to this angle, so that is a thing that we know. So these two angles are also equal in magnitude. Why? Vertically opposite angles, no? So DOE angle is equal to AOF angle. So this is given. Then we can write AOF angle is equal to COD angle. Why? Vertically opposite angles, right? Also, if we consider these two angles, then BOD කියන එකේ මේ angle එක හරි, right? Then we have DOF කියන එකේ මේ angle එක හරි. ඊළඟ මේ angles දෙක මොනවද ඒවා? Just as before. What are those? Opposite angles, no? So BOC angle, that is equal to EOF angle. Why? Same reason, opposite angles. So now we can say DOF. Now we angles වල කෝණ සමාන කරලා ඉවරයි, right? DOE angle plus EOF angle, that is equal to මේ angle එක ඊළඟට මේ angle එක, right? So COD plus COB. Then දැන් බලන්න මේ angle සමානයි ඈ. අපි ඔප්පු කරා. DOE is equal to what? අපිට මෙතන ගන්න පුළුවන්. right? මේ මෙතන තව පොඩි දෙයක් add වෙන්න ඕන. right? මෙන්න මේ දෙක ගැන හිතපුවාම, right? හරි? මෙන්න මෙතන අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ DOE is equal to AOF and also AOF is equal to COD. එතනින් අපිට තව පොඩි දෙයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. මට ඒක අමතක වුණා මෙතන. right? මේ දෙන්න සමානයි. axiom 1. So DOE angle is equal to COD. හරි? මෙතන මේ opposite angles කියලා කියන්නේ මේකට. So therefore DOE is equal to COD and in the same manner EOF, right? EOF is equal to COB. මේ BOC EOF. අපි ඕනනම් එතනටම දාමුකෝ BOC කියලා. කට්ටියට පට ගන්නවා නම් BOC. Right? So DOE plus EOF. What is that? DOF. So this is DOF. COD plus BOC. What is that? BOD. Miscellaneous questions. Question number 4. In the regular pentagon, note that this is a regular pentagon. That means all sides are equal in length. And if we consider internal angles, all internal angles are equal. Right? So we have what? EAD is equal to DAC is equal to BAC. Right, so this is given. EAD, DAC, then BAC, right? Then we have BCA. BCA angle is equal to ACE angle is equal to DCE angle. So this is also given, right? BCA, this angle, ACE, this angle, and DCE, right? So under that part 1, we have two parts there. We have to show that BCA angle is equal to BAC angle. So this is the one that we have to prove, right? BCA, what is that? BCA, that means this angle. Then we have BAC, BAC, right? So this is a regular pentagon, no? So regular pentagon, that means this pentagon has two special characteristics. One, each of these sides are equal in length, and if we consider the internal angles, all internal angles are equal in magnitude. That means what? EAB angle is equal to BCD angle, right? So if we consider this angle, each of the angles are equal in magnitude. Here also each of the angles are equal in magnitude. So we can divide this side by 3 and do the same to other side. So EAB angle divided into 3. EAB angle divided into 3. So we can take what? BCA, no? Right? So we can pick one as BAC. Equal to, take BCD, divide it into 3. BCD divided into 3. So we can pick one. What is that? BCA. Right. Right. So now we will move to the second part. So they are asking if BAC is 36 degrees. BAC is 36 degrees. They are asking the magnitude of CDE. What is CDE? CDE. Right? BAC means what? This total angle is 3 times BAC, no? So BAE is what? 36 into 3. Right? So what is the value of BAE? 36 into 3. So 30 into 3, we know that is what? 90. 6 into 3, we know that is 18. Then when we add this together, we get 108. So BAE angle is equal to 108 degrees. But BAE angle is equal to what? EDC. They are asking CDE, no? Right. So BAE is equal to CDE. What's the reason? This is a regular pentagon. So we can write these two are equal to what? 108. What's the reason? Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon.